Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a 2007 fridge thing. No, I can't do this. Help, please. It's a 2007 Sun version, but the box says it's for 2008. Anyway, I'm unboxing. Weakling batteries. Scan all these letters. Buckets of Longhorn 5, 6, Nike kicks. Help! I need more 1-2 bug on my shoe spine. Oh my god! The thing I noticed, I think it has the 2009 sound chip. I don't know, because when I did test mode with this, it said LT instead of MT. Hang on, let me put A.
A says A, and A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. A says A, and ah.
Let me try with the fridge phonics. The 2007. Anyway, you have two volume controls where you put the letters in and a button which plays the alphabet song. Anyway, let's get started. It's A.
A says A, and A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. A says A, and ah.
Now we're on to
B. B says B.
Okay.
B says B.
Okay.
Every letter makes a sound. B says B.
Anyway, now we're doing C.
C. C says K, and C says K. Every letter makes a sound. C says K, and
Okay. The only thing is this D matches this D, only it's
D. D says D. D says D. Every letter makes a sound. D says D.
okay, but whatever you do, make sure you wipe your magnets. And if your thing runs on low batteries, make sure to replace them, because that's what the instruction manual says. Anyway, on with the video.
E. E says E, and E says F. Every letter makes a sound. E says E, and F.
I never had this version of the fridge phonics in a long time.
F. F says F says every letter makes a sound. F says
Hey, where are you watching me?
F. F says G. G says G, and G says G. Every letter makes a sound. G says G, and G.
Anyway, here's the box. Why does the box say 2008? And the toy literally says 2007. Like, really, this makes no sense. Wait. Did I do H?
H says H says every letter makes a sound. H says
I was trying to reach the box. Then my arm was got on.
I says I, and I says it. Every letter makes a sound. I says I, and it.
But the only thing is, this is also made in 2007. Got this used for some reason. Maybe I couldn't get the new in the one that's brand new in the box. I mean, I got this the 2009 version brand new in the box, but I didn't get the 2007 brand new in the box.
J says J. J says J. Every letter makes a sound. J says J. K says K. K says K. Every letter makes a sound. K says K. L says ooh. L says ooh. Every letter makes a sound.
I actually
says
learned
ooh.
this in preschool.
M says M says Every letter makes a sound. M says N says N says Every letter makes a sound. N says O says O, and O says Every letter makes a sound. O says O, and P says P says
What am I supposed to
makes
keep
a
this
sound.
on?
P says
I mean, you can take it off, but I don't know if you're supposed to keep it on.
Q says Q. Q says Q. Every letter makes a sound. Q says Q.
You can take the letter out. I don't know if you have to keep it back in while it's singing the song. Like, every letter makes a sound, and then
R says R says Every letter makes a sound. R says S says S says Every letter makes a sound. S says T says T says Every letter makes a sound. T says T.
bro, I didn't press the T.
U says U, and U says Every letter makes a sound. U says U, and
I know. You're jumping like a frog. Right. Guess what I am? A butterfly? Not exactly. A bird.
D. D says D says Every letter makes a sound. D says
I
Are you a penguin?
zoomed in too much.
I know. You're a big hippopotamus.
W. W says W says Every letter makes a sound. W says
Water rolls right off my back, and when I talk, I say quack quack.
The X is yellowed. Like it's yellowed. This the colors around the the thing around the thing around the X is completely yellowed.
X says Every letter makes a sound. X says
Yeah, this keeps distorting on me.
Y says Y, and Y says I. Every letter makes a sound. Y says Y, and I.
I hate this. Like, seriously, I hate this. I hate when they have the same sound.
Z. Z says Z says every letter makes a sound. Z says
Now, I did mention this button, right? Like, if you press this, it'll play one song and only one song, and that is the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Fall and winter too. My favorite
This stops it,
season is spent
and this
with special friends
turns it off.
like you.
The leapfrog logo. Whoa. I still don't get why this is marked. The toy marks it as 2007 and the box marks it as 2008. Like, I don't get it. Like, subscribe, and comment. See ya. Like, subscribe, and comment. See ya.